Hi you guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Lisa. Thanks for joining. So I'm back in Switzerland. I've been here for maybe 2 weeks now, and to be honest with you, I was so sick the first week coming back. I caught the worst cold, flu, whatever you want to call it, and to be honest with you, being sick while pregnant should be a crime. I am 30 weeks pregnant right now, and to be sick and pregnant is not fun at all. So it took me a while to recover. So it's been some time since I picked up the vlog camera, but we are heading to Lugano this weekend, and I wanted to obviously take you guys along with us, as you can tell from the title of this video. Right now, I'm just packing up a few things. We're only going for one night, a little weekend staycation. We live in Lucerne, so Lugano is about a 2-hour drive from us, which is really nice. Everything in Switzerland is very close to each other. Switzerland is just so small, so it's very easy to travel the country, but Lugano is one of our favorite places to go to. I don't know if it's just because of the Italian influence it has, and a lot of people actually speak Italian there, so it's kind of nice. It's like a different vibe and just a different food and culture, and they have a beautiful lake, and yeah, I mean, you can even see some of Italy from Lugano, so it's kind of nice. And the weather is supposed to be pretty nice, so we're excited about that. So we're obviously going to take you guys along our little trip, but I'm just packing the bag now. I'm just putting a few outfits in. We are also going to a outlet that's one of our favorite shopping outlets in Switzerland. It's called Foxtown, and it's all like designer discount stores. So we want to look for some stuff for the baby and just obviously go for ourselves, but I will definitely take you guys along there as well. Whenever we drive down to Italy or go to Lugano, we usually make a stop in Foxtown just because they have a really good selection with great prices, which is sometimes hard to find here in Switzerland because as you may know, it's pretty expensive country, and yeah, so just gonna start to pack some stuff up. I'm gonna have a pretty low-key night tonight, and then tomorrow morning I'll check back in with you once we hit the road and travel down to Lugano. So you guys, we made it to Lugano, and we are staying at the Lugano Dante hotel. Would definitely recommend this hotel. It is so nice, new, clean, and it's also in like the center of the city. You are literally walking distance to so many good shops, restaurants, cafes. This is our first time staying here, but it's been great so far. We're going to head out in a little bit and just walk around before they close. It's Saturday, and in Switzerland a lot of the shops and places close at 5, So we want to get in some sightseeing before everything closes. Did take a little quick video of our room. It is nothing special. It's a smaller room, but that is something that you should expect when being in the city like this. But again, this hotel was really nice. We actually got upgraded to a newer room. And also I wanted to mention, if you use Expedia like I do to book your vacations, if you're at a certain level, we actually had free parking, which is really nice, because it can get expensive. So they offer free parking. Tomorrow morning we're gonna have a free breakfast. You have a free minibar. It's been really nice so far. But yeah, so we're gonna head out now and do a little bit of window shopping and probably find something to eat. Back at the hotel, just getting ready. We just kind of came back and relaxed a little bit after our little walk around the city. It's a little bit cold, so we just want to like come home, defrost, chill. And now we're heading to dinner. We're going to one of the most recommended places from a few friends, family members. It is called, hold please, oh my god, baby brain. It is called New St. Louis, so it is supposed to have some really good pizza and like Italian fare, so I'm excited. But just getting ready now. As I mentioned, there's so many cute like little stores here. I wish we got here a little bit earlier to be able to like shop around more, because tomorrow is Sunday, so everything is closed in Switzerland on Sunday. Stores really aren't open, but that's okay. We're going to Foxtown tomorrow, as I mentioned, so we'll be able to do some shopping there. But yeah, just getting ready, and then I will check in with you guys when we get to the restaurant. Just got to Foxtown. It's about a 10-minute drive from Lugano, so it's in Mendrisio, and we're gonna walk around, hopefully find some things. We've had some luck in the past, but sometimes we walked out with nothing, but it's always fun to shop around, and I hope I can give you guys a nice haul after. It's the next day, and the shopping experience was not the best at Foxtown this time. I didn't really get too much. I wasn't really looking for a ton of stuff for myself anyway, but I think with like the transition of the seasons, they had a lot of winter stuff still, and I was kind of looking for more of like spring, summer, but I'm sure we'll be back. And yeah, I think if you guys are in the area, definitely check it out if you're looking for some outlets in Europe. I only picked up a few things for the baby. They do have a Polo Ralph Lauren outlet store, so we just got a few little like onesies and sweaters for her, just cute little things, but that's about it. And my husband got a few things, but nothing crazy. I wanted to end off the vlog though, and I wanted to also say how good of an experience we had at the Lugano Dante hotel. I know a lot of you watch my travel vlogs for like where we stay, and I couldn't recommend that hotel enough. They were so accommodating, and the staff was so friendly. They spoke English, Italian, German, French, all the languages. As I mentioned, we had breakfast there. The breakfast was immaculate, you guys. Was so good. It was really sweet. Actually, our waiter one time, it was a buffet. When I was looking at some of the pastries, I was looking at the cream-filled croissant, and the waiter came over to me and was like, yes, don't worry about the cream, it's pasteurized and blah blah blah, okay, it's safe for you. So I think it's really nice that he was like attentive to me and being pregnant, and I don't know, it just goes to show how the staff is with their guests. But also the hotel in general, super clean, super convenient location, and we'll definitely be back when we stay again in Lugano. So just wanted to share an update on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, leave me a comment down below if you have any questions. As always, if you guys could like, subscribe, it really does mean a lot and help me grow in this community on YouTube. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Bye guys.